The business of agriculture affects many sectors of the U.S. economy, from the farm to suppliers and buyers, all the way to the retail grocer. Monitoring and reporting on U.S. agriculture production is the work of the USDA's National Agricultural Statistics Service. The agency provides information, analyses, and forecasts of the nation's agricultural status.
Our mission is to serve U.S. agriculture. Our mission statement is to provide timely, useful, and accurate information to the U.S. Agricultural industry. A lot of people rely on our data, so that just stresses the importance of having good quality data being captured and accurate data being summarized.
NASS collects data through mail and web-based surveys, phone interviews, and face-to-face. The agency has long relied on SAS to aggregate, analyze, and review the data required for timely and accurate reports on the nation's agricultural status.
We routinely conduct surveys of 20 to 70,000 sample sizes, and these are conducted with roughly a 2-week window to make 70,000 interviews. But we've got to move a lot of data through a system very quickly and make sure it's of quality and of precision before release date. Very regimented, very robust. We're expected to put out a national estimate that's within 1% margin of error, which means we've got to have the data quality in place and the precision in place to produce an estimate that precise. We used to spend a lot of time just trying to find a bad data point. Well, now that we have better tools, graphical presentation, sortable tables can be introduced into this. Our analysts can find suspect data points a lot quicker, and they can spend time finding out, researching those points and finding out if they need to be corrected, rather than just trying to find them in the first place.
One of the newer features we're starting to utilize is the mapping features that SAS has. Right away, we could see some average yields by locations. You can see here we're looking at Oklahoma. Kind of shows the different counties and the yields associated with these counties, coded by the percentile that they're in. Visually seeing the data at a county level helps our analysts to look for any anomalies in the data.
In addition to preparing and delivering hundreds of reports annually, NASS relies on SAS to develop the Census of Agriculture, a report that shapes the future direction of American agriculture.
The Census of Agriculture we do every 5 years, and that's a data collection endeavor where we get about 2.5 million questionnaires returned. The amount of data that goes through that pipeline is staggering. And again, those systems are all SAS-based processing systems to, again, move that data through, make sure it's accurate and correct, and that we are producing accurate data to the county level.
Right now, I would have to say 95% of our national surveys are utilizing SAS as its aggregation tool, along that as the analysis tool. So it is a key piece of the processing of the National Agricultural Statistics Service. It is a key player in the processing of our data here within the agency.